Stretch up. 10. Stretch up. 11. On 11. Right side, stay there. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Come on, stay there. Mundriki valpodu. Stay there. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Left hand pull back side. Pull back side. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. Legs straight. 6. 5. 4. Tighten kneecap. 3. 2. 1.